Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. It is currently 7. I've been up since about 6:20 because I start work at 6:30. And the great thing about working from home is I can just roll out of bed a few minutes before, which is awesome. So check my emails, make sure everything was good this morning, make sure no one needed any help. And yeah, just poured myself a big glass of water. And I think I mentioned this yesterday. If I didn't, I put a poll on my Instagram asking what the best coffee shop patios were in Ottawa, and I think I just need to change the scenery today, and I need to like go sit at a coffee shop outside for a few hours. I don't know, Matt's coming off night, so I kind of just want to get out of the house because I have a lot of meetings today. So I think we're gonna go to a coffee shop, find a cute patio, and sit there, stay a while, and get some work done, at least until like my lunch break. And if anyone has an issue with it, then that's okay. Someone told me that it was inappropriate to like leave my house when I was working from home, but I am owed like a 30-minute paid break and 2 15 minutes unpaid. So I think like if I use my time driving to a coffee shop and back, like that's my own discretion. So anyways, that's that. So we're gonna hit up a coffee shop. I'm very excited. So 7, I'm gonna try and hold off on having a coffee until I get there so I don't have too many coffees today. So fingers crossed. But I'm just gonna sit on the couch, check my emails, get started for the day, and then Matt's gonna come home and go to bed, and then I'm gonna get dressed and we're gonna head to a coffee shop. I haven't decided where yet. So there's a local coffee shop about 10 minutes from here, and then they just opened up a new Starbucks about 5 minutes from here. My only concern is that it's one of those that drive-through Starbucks, so I wonder if it'll be loud because it's off a main road. So I might have to go to the local one, but that's okay. I figured it'd be fun to like just change it up a little. So it's currently 10. I did not stay as long as I thought I would stay, only because the internet was not great at all. I don't know if it's because I was working outside, but the internet was just like, I could barely load my emails. Like I was basically just doing emails for 2 hours, but I have stuff I need to do that like I need internet for. So I'm just gonna go back home. I have a meeting at 10:30, so I'll do that. But it's really, really nice out today. Like I'm literally in a jean jacket and I'm not warm. So I think it does look like it's gonna rain though. So maybe we won't be able to sit on the balcony, but I had a really yummy cold brew, still a really great spot that has a patio. It's just like nice being outside and not melting. We've just had such a heat wave in Ottawa, so it's been really, really nice. But I'm gonna head home now. Like I said, it's like a 10-minute drive, which is super, super awesome. And there's a Starbucks that's like even closer, which is like even more awesome. Have a meeting and get more work done, and then hopefully have a nice little productive afternoon. I think tonight I'm gonna do like my small business puppy haul, which I've been wanting to do. Basically when Matt and I for Stella, I decided that I wanted to try and buy as much locally as I could, so I'm gonna show you guys that. What else are we doing? My mom and I are gonna check out the Terra 20 opening today, which is actually here at Train Yards. Terra 20 is like a no waste kind of like really healthy, biodegradable like house products, cleaning products, like just one of those like healthy stores, but like not food, just has like cleaning products, makeup, cruelty-free stuff. So we're gonna go check that out today, which I'm excited for. But yeah, let's head home and I will probably chat with you guys when we get back home. Okay guys, I just got home and I figured I'd give you guys a little outfit of the day. It's very simple. Jean jacket is from Zara, and then I'm just wearing my typical oversized airy tee with some BTA apparel bike shorts. Very simple but cute. Comfy, cute, but now I'm gonna get back to work before my meeting at 10:30. Guys, I'm about to have breakfast. It's currently, I fast a little early because I'm hungry, but I'm just having 1 egg, 2 egg whites, some chicken, bacon, light cheddar, green onion, a little scramble because my omelet broke. So I'm gonna have that. Looks so yummy, and get back to work. Okay guys, I just got a ton of packages and I literally have no idea where they're from or who they're from. So we're gonna open them. Okay, this one's for a collab that I'm doing with a company called Bag Smart, so I'm not gonna show you guys too much, but they sent me their new backpack, and then I'm so excited about this. They sent me their UV phone sanitizer. I'm wanting one of these for so long with COVID and everything to have at our front door, and they sent me one, which is so sweet, so thank you guys. Fully Make sent me one of their boxes, which I'm so excited about. They're like a subscription doggy service in Canada, but they're made for like big breed dogs that chew. I think it says, yeah, designed for power chewers. So I'm really excited about that. We'll open that later tonight. No idea what this is. Oh my god. Guys, watch my recent week in my life. You guys would know I love Don't Poke the Bear. I bought some of their ciders. I love their wine. And they sent me this super cute PR package and I'm so excited. Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh my god, you guys. This is like my first like legit huge PR package. God, guys. I'm gonna cry. Literally gonna cry. God, they're so sweet. Okay, literally I was literally just vlogging my week in my life about trying their ciders because I love their beer, or I love their wine. But they sent me some berry ciders, and then they also sent me just their regular apple cider, and then a bottle of their red and white. Oh my god, this is like my first like legit PR package, like a gift box, and I'm like freaking out. This is so cool. Like a company that I support and buy wine from like sent me a package. What the heck? Like I've gotten like things in the mail, which I'm so grateful for anyone who sends me stuff, but this is like legit. Oh my god, this is so cool. Cute. They sent me the cutest hat. You guys, I'm having some cantaloupe as a snack. It's like 12:30. Hi guys, it's a long while later. It's currently 6:10. I took a nap and I'm feeling great. Had dinner. I just had a sandwich and I'm sipping on a giant Coke Zero now. I'm living the life. And what else is going on? I think that's it. I'm so excited because I'm recording a podcast with Kayla. I'm so excited. Kayla like is like just like I want her to be my internet best friend, you know what I mean? Like I don't even like know her yet, but I just love her. You know what I mean? I don't know, she just seems like the sweetest person ever, and I just want to be her best friend. And when Matt and I go to Disneyland in California, I want to meet her. So I'm really excited to be on her podcast. I'll link it all down below for you guys if you're interested. So I'm really excited. It's my first podcast I'm going to be on. I'm really pumped, but I took like a 2-hour nap. I don't really sleep. I feel like I talk about this all the time. I do not sleep while Matt's gone. I think that'll be better once we have Stella, but I'm just used to having dogs around. We live in a safe area of town. I just don't like sleeping alone at night. It just scares me. So I don't sleep that well, so I napped and it was great. I took a 2.5-hour nap. That's ultimate self-care right there. And now I'm gonna record this podcast, and then I'm gonna do, I don't really know what. I'm gonna have to go for a walk, and I hope it doesn't rain because I need to close my loops and I don't feel like doing a real workout today. So let's check and make sure it's not gonna rain. I've just had such a not a lazy day. I've had a really productive work day, but working from home is hard sometimes because I just feel like I sit all day long. Okay, no, it's not supposed to rain, so. We went to the Terra 20 opening. Super nice. It was a lot smaller than the original one though, which was kind of like but I got some stuff that I'll show you guys after. And oh my god, I don't think I told you this, guys. I'm going to the gym tomorrow and I'm so excited. I get questions about like if I'm comfortable, if I'm safe going to the gym. I think I'm gonna do like a little mini talk about it after I've gone on here, but I'm so excited. And although masks are mandatory in Ottawa, we don't have to worry when working out. I'm so excited. So I have that booked from 9 to 10, which it sucks that's the only time I could get it because we're going to the cottage after, but I'll just use that as like my lunch break, morning break, and check my emails from the gym, and I'm so excited. So I'm going to catch up on emails and stuff before Kayla and I podcast, and then I will check back in with you guys. Hi guys, so I just finished podcasting with Kayla. I forgot to get like a little clip of us chatting, but so much fun. And make sure you guys are following her podcast. I'll put it down below. Because the podcast episode is going to go live, but leave it down below for you guys to follow so you guys can listen to it when it comes out, and then make sure you're following me on Instagram because I'll post about it when it's out. But like I said, I need to close my loops, so we're gonna go for a walk. I'm not really in the mood to work out. That's okay. I have my fanny pack, and we're just gonna go for a little walk around the neighborhood. I actually, ironically, need to catch up on podcasts. Does anyone else subscribe to like 20 podcasts and then like never listen to them? Because I have a bad habit of that. So I'm going to catch up on Kayla's podcast. Ironically, I haven't listened to the newest episode, which is her budget episode. So we're gonna go for a walk, listen to that, come home, then probably relax. $8:30, and we've pulled out the wine. This one is I think I unboxed this a few videos ago. They sent me like 6 bottles. I figured I'd start drinking it, try it out. I'm not really like sure what a VQA wine is, but I just looked it up on the LCB website, and apparently it's not super sweet. And then I just have this. I got this from Christmas from my neighbor Kelsey. So cute. I use it every day, and I'm being ghetto and I'm using strawberries as ice cubes because I don't have any ice. So cheers to a little almost Friday glass of wine. Cheers. Didn't get much. We went to Tier 20, but I did get a few things because everything was 30% off. So this was like 15 bucks, which isn't bad. I've been looking for a face sunscreen for a while just because I feel like regular sunscreen on my face like really breaks me out. So I found this one, which was super good. I love Live Clean products. I just got that SPF 45. I probably could have gotten something stronger, but oh well, we'll see how I like it. Where's the label? Biodegradable garbage bags. Pretty like loving the earth, you know, but obviously we still do have garbages, so I figured we should get some biodegradable ones. So I got that. That's my little haul. And yeah. Alrighty guys, I am obviously in the bathroom. I'm about to take a shower and just like wind down for the night, drink my wine, watch some YouTube videos, and yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me know down below if you prefer when I vlog like just day in my life or week of my life. I'm always curious as to what you guys prefer, but let me know down below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. It helps, you know, get my channel out there with the algorithm and stuff. I would really, really appreciate it. And if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you are, because we're super close to 11.4K, which is insane. And I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!